Privatize any regular emails with iPrivo. Hi, this is Elizabeth. I will show you a demonstration of privatizing regular emails with iPrivo. iPrivo's service focuses on enabling privacy for all your emails. As discussed in a previous tutorial, you can send private emails and add unique privacy controls for each email. In addition, iPrivo helps you to privatize your regular emails. Once privatized, they become confidential on your email servers in the cloud as well as in your devices. Use this feature to securely archive past sensitive emails or convert any regular email you receive to private. Sounds cool, isn't it? Let me show you how to do it. First, you can swipe left on a regular email and type on the privatize icon. Alternatively, you can do this from the detailed email view. Simply select Privatize from the menu. As you tap on it, you can see the privatization process being started. And before I forget, if you change your mind, you can unprivatize anytime. Okay, so how do I know which emails to privatize? This obviously is a personal choice. To help, iPrivo indicates the projected privacy sensitivity for each email. The metric adjusts based on the actions you take. For example, as you privatize or unprivatize emails, your preferences are learned by the app. The processing is entirely local in your device. iPrivo does not store or has access to your emails in the cloud. A further way to privatize is supported directly within other third-party email clients or webmail, and you can privatize emails from any email account. Simply drag the emails you want to secure to the iPrivo Privatized Non-eprivo folder. iPrivo will complete the privatization transparently to you. You can access the privatized emails in the iPrivo app that is available on both mobile and desktop devices. The emails can be found in the privatized non-eprivo email folder. Finally, we can secure all our emails. This concludes this tutorial video. Stay tuned for other iPrivo videos.